Get into the 2016 Dodge Durango. With less than 120,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Durango makes even the most demanding tasks look and feel easy. Its bold power, uncompromising capability, and technology that prioritizes passenger safety and comfort make it the go-to SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Get the SUV that's got the style and strength to get the job done right. Test drive the Durango.